Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a part 2 of my best and worst from Origins. I did a part 1 months and months ago, and it was one of the most popular videos I've ever posted on my channel. And since it was posted, I've tried a ton of other products from Origins, so I figured it was time for a part 2. So if you are interested in that, keep watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. I'm going to post my part 1 up here and down below in the bottom bar in case you're interested. There are tons of products in that video, and I'm not going to mention them since I did already talk about them in that video. So this video will be focusing on just products that I've tried since that video was posted. Everything that I mentioned today, I will list down below in the bottom bar so that it's super convenient for you. Okay, I think the easiest way is going to go like line by line because they have a few different lines of products. So first up, I want to talk about the Gloom Away line. This is the Gloom Away Grapefruit Body Souffle, and oh my gosh, you guys, this is seriously the most delicious body cream ever. It smells insanely good, and it will just leave your skin feeling so moisturized and so supple and soft, and the scent does linger, so pick a scent. They have a few different ones of these, and there's a couple scents that I wasn't a fan of. I think they were more like holiday-y scents, but this one is so good. So I love this one, but you do want to make sure you have a scent that you like because the scent does linger. But gosh, I cannot recommend this enough if you are in need of a body cream, body butter. It's not a typical body butter. It's pretty thin, like it's not like thick like a lot of body butters are, like full creams. It is creamy, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling like really heavy, if you know what I mean. The other product from that line that I have to talk about is this. It is the Gloom Away Grapefruit Body Wash and Bubble Bath, and again, this smells delicious. I love the scent of this line, and this is really good to put in your bath. I love to take baths in the winter, and you can put some of this in and it'll bubble up and it will just be like a nice calming bath. But you can also use it as a body gel, which I really love, or shower gel, body wash, whatever, you guys know what I mean. And it lathers really nicely. That's my biggest complaint about body washes, is that sometimes you have to use so much product to get a nice lather, and then it's like, why wouldn't you just buy a high-end one if you're gonna spend the same amount after buying a ton of cheaper ones? So this lathers really nicely, so you don't need a ton of it to get a nice lather. Okay, this is a one-off product that I have. This is the Precipitation Continuous Moisture Recovery for Body. And this is such a nice cream. This scent isn't my absolute favorite. Yeah, I like it, but it's not like the best scent I've ever smelled from them because they have some of my favorite smelling products. So when it comes to choosing a lotion type product, I would choose this one over this one. But I will say that I do really love this, so I do wear it quite a bit. I have it sitting on my nightstand because at night sometimes I'll want to put something on my arms, legs, feet, hands, whatever. So I will use this a lot, and it just sits up there for whenever I need it. I also don't know if this comes in other scents, so maybe it does, and that would be a better option for me. But I would say smell it before you buy it. This next product is super random. This is the Feel Good candle, and this is the Pine Spruce Orange scent, and this is a 100% soy candle. So I do really like this. It definitely is not like the strongest smelling scent in your house, but it will make the whole room smell. This is more of like a holiday, it's like pine and spruce, so I was burning it more in the winter, and I kind of put it away and I'll pull it back out next winter. But I do like it. It's 100% soy, so it's better for you, and I do recommend this. I think that it's amazing, and I really love the packaging. I know that it's not going to stay in this when it's burning, but I just love presentation. Next up, I have the Origins Plantscription Anti-Aging Power Serum. This is so good. I've been using this non-stop, and I actually gave one to my mom because I could not get over how good this was. I love it. It comes in a pump, which I do really like for a serum, which most serums come in pumps. But yeah, I cannot say enough good things about this. This isn't, again, my favorite scent. This smells more natural, like spa-like. And for a serum, I'm totally fine with that. I put other products on my face too, so it's not a scent that lingers, it dissipates pretty quickly, and it's not a big deal to me at least. But I just love the way that this makes my skin feel. I have two products from the Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins Mega Mushroom line, and the first one is another serum that I've been using. So I've been kind of mixing like a half a pump of each of these and putting them together at night. This is the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Advanced Face Serum. Again, it comes with a pump. This is a new product for them, and I love it. I think that it is so good. The Mega Mushroom line, again, doesn't smell the best in my opinion because they just have so many other scents that are so good, but I don't care. I use the products anyway because they are just so good. So if you're looking for a new face serum, I would highly recommend this one. The Mushroom line is really good if you have redness or irritated skin, and it will just kind of calm your skin back down and bring it back to a normal place. So this is really good for that. The other product I have from the Mega Mushroom line is the Mega Mushroom Skin Relief Soothing Treatment Lotion. This is like an essence, so I use this at night, every single night. I think I have about like this much left. But basically I wash my face and then I put this on a cotton round and just put it on my face before I put on my moisturizers and serums and everything like that. So this would kind of go in place of a toner. It's the same kind of concept, except it's not as harsh. It's very soothing and just really makes your skin feel nice and calm. I have three products from the Original Skin line. The first one is the Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with Willow Herb. Oh my gosh, you guys. I think this and the Ginseng line are my absolute favorite ones with how they smell. So this one I'm almost out of. It's a nice gel moisturizer, which is really awesome if you have acne prone skin or oily skin. Gel moisturizers won't clog your pores at all, and they're just a nice lightweight moisturizer that will still give you the nourishment that your skin needs without clogging your pores or giving you heaviness that's going to cause more acne. So I would highly recommend a gel moisturizer. They also have the Ginseng gel moisturizer, which I will link down below as well, that I absolutely love. I'm out of it right now, which is so sad. I need to repurchase it. But I mentioned that in my first Origins video, so it comes in kind of the same packaging and only the orange for the Ginseng line. But this, oh my gosh, this smells heavenly. And if you have oily skin, this is a matte moisturizer, so it's not gonna make you even more shiny and oily. The next product I have is the Original Skin Cleansing Makeup Removing Jelly with Willow Herb. This is a product that you put on before you wash your face. I do a double cleanse, so I use some kind of jelly balm that I put on my face to remove my makeup, and then I go in and wash my face. And this is one of those products. I really like this one. It's not my favorite for removing makeup. I personally like the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse and the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm more than I like this one, but I do think this is a really good option. Okay, last but not least, this is the Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with Willow Herb. This is an aerosol primer. I actually did a full video on this that I will link up here and down below. This has been the primer that I've used every single day since I tried it. It is amazing. It will fill in your pores like there's no tomorrow. So I usually concentrate it right in this area when I have enlarged pores. It will just leave my skin so smooth and my pores are filled in. I just have such a nice canvas to put makeup on top of. So I cannot recommend this enough. If you are in the market for a new primer, definitely try this one out. Alrighty guys, that is my updated best and worst of Origins. I hope that you enjoy. If you did, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.